Good morning, class. What is our secret word?
Cookies.
That's right. Last week we learned about subtraction. Can anyone tell me what subtraction means?
No.
Okay, well, let's review. Subtraction is when you take away a number or some items from a group in order to find the difference between those two items or numbers. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. What is the number called that we get when we subtract?
Difference.
Good, very good. Who knows what math sign we use in subtraction?
Minus.
The minus sign, that's correct. When we subtract, there's another math sign that goes before the difference. Do you know what that sign is called?
No.
It's the equal sign.
Okay.
What's it called?
Equal sign.
Equal sign, very good. Yesterday we learned more about subtraction, and I showed you how I use subtraction with apples. Can anyone tell me what I did with the apples to show subtraction?
You took them away.
I took some away, that's correct. I took some away in order to find the difference. Today, you are going to practice subtraction yourselves. I want you to take out your box of crayons and a pencil. You can do that now. Okay, I want you to take out 10 crayons. Any 10 you like.
Any?
Any 10 you like. Make sure you have 10, please.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Perfect. Okay, please set the crayon box aside and have your pencil ready.
Okay.
Thank you. I am going to pass out your handouts. This is your handout for today. What is the first thing you need to do on your handout?
Write my name.
Write your name. That's good. Okay. On the handouts, you will see some boxes with numbers in them and some that are empty. What math signs do you see on the handout?
Minus.
And
Equals.
an equal sign. Very good. So for your homework, I'm going to give you a different handout that looks like this. And it's got a few more numbers on there, and you will have the opportunity to use different items at home in order to practice subtraction. So what is something you think that you can use at home that you have 10 of the same item?
Markers.
Markers, good. That's a good idea. Okay. So we are going to use the 10 crayons that you have in front of you. Who can tell me what number 1 has in the first box?
10.
10, perfect. And what is the number in the next box?
7.
7, all right. So take your 10 crayons and we are going to subtract 7. So I need you to take away 7 crayons, and you can count out loud if you would like to.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, very nice. So set those 7 aside.
Okay.
What do you think we should do with the crayons that are left over? Should we count them?
Color with them.
Well, let's count them first.
Okay.
Okay. So count them, please.
1, 2, 3.
3. So what number do we need to write in the empty box?
3.
3. You can use your crayon or a pencil for this.
Crayon.
Very nice. Okay, so now we found that 10 minus 7 equals...
3.
Say it with me. 10 minus
7
equals
3.
Very nice. Let's move on to the next question. Who can tell me what number 2 has in the first box?
8.
8. All right. So we have 10 crayons total. Can you put your crayons back in a pile, please?
Okay.
We need 8 crayons. So what do you think we can do to get down to 8 crayons?
Count 8.
Count 8. Okay, so let's count 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, so can you set the others aside? Perfect. Now, what's the number in the next box?
4.
4. Okay, so what do we need to do to take away 4?
minus 4.
Okay, so let's count and take away 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Very good. So set those aside.
Okay.
All right. Now we need to figure out how many crayons are left, what the difference is.
4.
4. So what number should we write in the box?
4.
4. So we found that 8 crayons minus 4 crayons equals 4 crayons. Very nice. Put your crayons back together, please. Thank you. And now we are going to go to the next number. Can you tell me what number 3 has in the first box?
6.
6. And what does number 3 have in the second box?
1.
1. Okay, so how many crayons do we have in our pile right now?
10.
10. Okay, so how do you think we can get down to 6?
Count 6.
Count 6.
4, 5, and 6.
Okay, so set the others aside, please.
Okay.
All right. So now our problem says 6 minus
1.
1. So let's count 1 crayon.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to see what the number is in the next box.
There's 5 left.
There's 5 left. So 6 minus 1 equals
5.
5. 6 minus 1 equals 5.
Equals 5.
Say it out loud, the whole problem.
6 minus 1
equals
equals 5.
Very nice. So, today we learned about subtraction with a group of objects with up to 10 objects in that group. We learned how to count as we take away items to help us get the correct number that we need to to find out the difference between the first number and the second number. We reviewed our math signs that we use for subtraction. We also reviewed what I showed you yesterday with the apples, so you could see how I use subtraction with objects in order to find the difference. Does anyone have any questions about this?
No.
No
Can we
questions?
color?
Yes, you may draw a little bit on the page for about a minute or so before we move on to our next subject. Does anyone have any questions about the homework? Here is your homework.
Do we have to do all of it?
Yes, but you have time to do it at home. This is homework, so you can take it home with you and pick 10 items from your home and use those. This assignment is just like the one we did in class with just a few more questions, and I will be grading your homework tomorrow, so be sure that it's done tonight, and remember that your parents can help you, but you need to do the work and find the answer yourself. Does everyone understand that?
Yes.
Okay, and I'm grading this paper for accuracy, so that means that I expect you to get at least 5 of these problems correct. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay, good work. Thank you very much.